Good day, everyone. Today, I will present my performance learning assessment task for TTL2, which is about designing a mall-enhanced language learning unit. This unit is aimed at helping students improve their writing fluency with the aid of mobile technology and digital tools. Let's start with the target learners. These are senior high school students aged 16 to 18 with an intermediate level of English proficiency. They are preparing for academic writing and research work. Although they have access to smartphones and reliable internet, many still struggles with grammar, organizing ideas, and revising their own writing. Now, here's an overview of the unit. It is titled Writing to Express, Writing to Impress, and runs for 5 days. The focus is on writing descriptive and expository paragraphs while enhancing fluency and confidence. The unit includes opportunities for self-assessment, peer review, and teacher feedback. Let's take a look at the learning objectives. First, students will write a coherent paragraph of at least 150 words with minimal grammar errors. Second, they will revise their output based on digital and peer feedback. Third, they will use digital tools like Grammarly and Google Docs to improve grammar, clarity, and structure. These are the tools used and why they were chosen. Google Docs allows real-time collaboration and commenting. Grammarly gives instant grammar suggestions. Google Forms helps with rubric-based self-assessment. These tools are familiar to students and are easy to integrate into lessons. Next, we move on to the feedback mechanism in the unit. Formative feedback comes from Grammarly and Google Docs and is delivered instantly. Peer feedback is written through Google Docs comments given on the same day. Teacher feedback is provided within 24 to 48 hours, either in written form or via a short video using Screencastify. Now, let's walk through the 5-day assessment activities. For the day 1, diagnostic writing, students write a descriptive paragraph. In day 2, they review Grammarly feedback and complete a self-assessment quiz. In day 3, peer review. Students exchange drafts and provide feedback. Day 4, revision and final submission. Day 5, reflection and a quiz on using feedback strategies. So here is a closer look at lesson 1, self-correction. Students write a draft using Grammarly on their phones. They revise based on the suggestions, then uploading their draft to Google Docs for teacher review. Assessment focuses on the quality of revisions and use of the tool. In lesson 2, peer feedback. Students read a classmate's draft using Google Docs on mobile devices. They give structured comments using a teacher-provided checklist. They focus on organization, grammar, and creativity. Students also respond to Students finalize their drafts on Google Docs and complete a self-assessment using Google Forms. Optionally, they can submit a short voice reflection about how their writing improved. Next, let's address potential challenges. To support students who lack devices, I recommend BYOD or group sharing. For technical issues, printed materials are provided. Ground rules help reduce distractions. Data privacy is ensured by using only school-approved accounts. We also include a short digital citizenship mini lesson to encourage responsible online behavior. Lastly, let's end with the rationale behind this design. This unit makes feedback more personalized and engaging. It helps students become more independent, reflective, and collaborative writers. Digital tools like Grammarly and Google Docs support growth at every step of the writing process. And the use of mobile technology means that students can work anytime, anywhere, encouraging learning beyond the classroom. In conclusion, this assessment plan focuses not just on writing skills, but also on 21st century competences like critical thinking, communication, and digital literacy. By integrating mobile tools and meaningful feedback, this unit empowers students to write better and become more confident in expressing themselves. That's all, and thank you very much for listening.